Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Rizwan bin Jamil from the FPTT faculty taking the course of High Technology Marketing. Today, I will present the introduction of Matsushita VHS. Firstly, the magnetic tape video recording became a key contributor to the television business in the 1950s, thanks to the first commercially available videotape recorders VTRS. The pricey gadgets were exclusively utilized in professional settings at the time, such as television studios and medical imaging, fluoroscopy. Furthermore, optical disc technologies eventually began to outperform analog consumer videotape formats like VHS and SVHS in terms of quality. Laserdisc, the first of these formats, was not generally embraced in Europe, but it was a big success in Japan and a small success in the United States. Soon after, Sony and Matsushita parted ways with the collaboration to develop their own video recording formats. Sony began developing Betamax, while Matsushita began developing VX. In 1975, GVC produced the CR6060, which used the U-matic format. Sony and Matsushita also made their own U-matic systems. Although VHS was phased out in the United States, VHS recorders and blank tapes were still available in stores in other developed countries prior to the switch to digital television. Panasonic introduced the world's first dual-deck VHS Blu-ray player in 2009 as a response to the continued use of VHS. In conclusion, despite the fall in both VHS players and programming on VHS machine, some homes throughout the world still own them. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you to Rizwan for explaining about our introduction. Now I would like to present about the role and factor of performance in Matsushita electric industry. There are several roles in the Matsushita electric industry career that I kept. The first role that play a role in Matsushita performance is research. For example, in the background analysis made by Professor Ruth Wang, it said that Matsushita Corporation culture can be characterized as half-state pyramid of people with large power distance and strong uncertainty avoidance. The second is decision making. Decision making is centralized with coordination at the top, but the collective buy-in is assured through the utilization of the Ringi system. The third role is a broad general knowledge. The tasks are assigned to group, not individual, and discrete strong link between people, the group, and the organization, making knowledge company specific and reducing career mobility outside the organization. Next, leader role. Leadership. Next is leadership goal. It is because leadership is one of planning, organizing, coordinating, controlling, and facilitating team effort and integration. Last but not least, organization such as Next, there are several people who have governing the Matsushita electric industry. The first is Matsushita. The organization structure was that of a divisional structure of 36 autonomous profit center, and each product line operate like an independent company except for R&D. The second is Yamashita. He launched operating localization targeting personnel, technology, material, and capital. The third is Tani. He consolidated international operating in one entity and broke all foreign subsidiaries under the control of METC in year 1986 to foster coordination between product division and foreign subsidiaries. Next is Morishita. He undertook a major restructuring of headquarters to cut costs. The last one is Nakamura. Post 2001, under the Value Creation 21 plan, Nakamura is trying to switch the company to a transnational strategy approach with a geocentric strategy mentality. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Hafizuddin bin Haniruddin, and I'm gonna talk about the discussion my team had done about the impact of Matsushita Business Solution. Before we get into it, we first have to know what are the business solutions that Matsushita Electric Industry, or as well known now as Panasonic. So the story goes that after the release of VHS technologies, people are expecting more from the company. This is because even the VHS was a phenomenal technology of media, it has its problems such as limited storage, the quality of the video and others. So in order for Matsushita to improve their product, they started to look at other countries in the world, and they thinking in branching out to react to market needs more promptly. From this, regional management division headquarters function will be transferred to its overseas region. For example, Asia Matsushita Electric based in Singapore become regional headquarters for Asia and Oceania effective April 2001. Sales between production division and overseas sales companies will be conducted directly instead of passing through regional. Matsushita has 3 geographic regions, which is America, Europe, Asia, and Oceania, and it utilizes various international entry strategies including export, greenfield operation, acquisition, joint ventures, and strategic alliances. In 1950, Matsushita started the exportation of products sold through private labels, and in 1953 it opened Matsushita Electric Corporation of America (MECA). In 1960 it opened manufacturing facilities in Southern Asia, Central and South America to perform basic production function. In 1970, Matsushita opened plants in the American and Europe, and in 1972 it opened a plant in Canada. In 1974 it bought Motorola TV business and started manufacturing the Corsair brand in the US, and in 1976 it built a plant in Cardiff, Wales to supply the common market. Matsushita entered into joint venture agreements with various partners such as Philips for European battery marketing and with Toshiba in Singapore to produce LCD channels. It also utilized strategic alliance such as its alliance with Bayer to develop, manufacture and sell diagnostic equipment. It has strategic alliance with Microsoft, Nacelle Compact, Mitsubishi, Sun Microsystems, IBM, Qualcomm and AT&T and other companies. The team believes that this business solution or cooperation branching out in the world has just helped both of the companies survive in a high-tech marketing They are saying in principle marketing, if you wanna go fast, you go alone. But if you wanna last long, you go together. And this saying is so related to the business solution of Matsushita because the company has become well-known electric company now as Panasonic. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you Hafizuddin for your presenting. I am Muhammad Najihin bin Hamzah. My metric number is B06-211-0148. I will do a conclusion. In conclusion, in 1969, JVC teamed up with Sony Corporation and Matsushita Electric. Matsushita was then the parent company of Panasonic and is now recognized by that name. It was also a majority stakeholder in JVC until 2008 to develop a video recording standard for the Japanese market. Under the plan, the localization of each divisional company or subsidiary will reorganize its operational framework as necessary to create optimal organizational groups or management structures that better respond to market changes. Examples of this change include the establishment of new Fujisama Manufacturing Center and the integration of Matsushita Electronic Corporation and Matsushita Electric Industrial Semiconductor and Display Device Operations. Besides, the market value ratio of price per earning, the other key business ratios can be categorized into the three major groups of profitability, risk management, and liquidity. To point out Matsushita financial weaknesses and strengths, and to compare them to its performance over the last 5 years in benchmark industry, as well as to a major competitor in the following, it will therefore be concentrate on return on equity (ROE), asset ratio (DE), that is debt to equity, and finally TIE, that is times interest earned. Overall, it can be observed that Matsushita constant asset ratio greater than 1 over the last 5 years indicates a financial strength in being able to cover its short-term liabilities every following year. This indicates that the overall audio and video manufacturing industry decreased in operating income and increased in interest payment, whereas Matsushita was capable of increasing its EBIT and decreasing its legal financial obligation. That's all. Thank you.